This is how to make rainbow water science experiment. First, add a little bit of water to each glass. Make sure you have some paper towel that is cut into a rainbow shape that has the rainbow colours on it, and make sure, kids, your parents have cut it for you. Now put it into the water and watch as the water will turn rainbow. Make sure to be patient, as it could take a while for the water to turn fully rainbow. As you can see, the colours from the paper towel have transferred into the water. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make rainbow water science experiment. Please subscribe for more science experiments and more fun stuff.